On November 5th, 2016, I performed a live stand-up set at London, Ontario's Forest City Comic-Con that I called Lifestyles of the YouTube Famous. My first ever stand-up show, actually. Since most of my audience does not live in or around London, Ontario, I recorded the show and presented it to you for the low, low price of $2 Canadian. Currently, that's about $1.50 US, €1.37, £1 21 pence, or $1.97 in Aussie dollars. The entire opening 5 minutes or so is available to listen to at Bandcamp. But here's some other clips for you to decide whether to spend a whole fucking $2 Canuck bucks. I still haven't come to grips with the fact, though, that people are actually excited to see me, that they watch my work every Sunday. I don't really understand it. And it's not because I'm humble or something like that. Don't get me wrong here. This isn't like, oh my god, you guys, I'm just like you, I put my pants on one dick at a time, just like everyone else, Going on first dates suck, though, because it's an audition to get fucked. It's exactly what it is. I'm sorry for anyone who, was hoping that romance was still alive, but it's not. So, now you know that you've made it in YouTube fame when you start getting hate messages. I know you don't take requests, which, as you guys know, I don't take requests, but you should take one. That's reasonable, right? I should take one request in my whole lifetime, so what request should I take? Die! Lifestyles of the YouTube Famous. Now available at adoseofbuckley.bandcamp.com. Just like one of those Kickstarters you kids love so much. Except, you pay money and actually get the thing you want right away. What a novel concept. Wonder if that'll ever catch on. Thanks for supporting your favorite angry Canadian.